Hey there, history buffs! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of ancient civilizations. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey to ancient Rome, a civilization renowned for its architectural and engineering marvels. Our focus? Their ingenious aqueducts and roads. These formidable structures were not just feats of engineering prowess, but also symbols of the Romans' profound understanding of practicality, durability, and aesthetics. They were the lifeblood of the empire, facilitating the flow of water, goods, and people. From the bustling streets of Rome to the furthest reaches of the empire, these Roman innovations were a testament to their advanced understanding of the world around them. The Romans were not only architects and engineers, but also visionaries. They understood that for a society to thrive, it needed a reliable supply of clean water. Enter the aqueducts, these magnificent structures that crisscrossed the Roman landscape, carrying life-giving water from distant sources to the heart of the city, and even into homes and public fountains. And then there were the roads. The Romans were master road builders, their vast network of roads connecting every corner of their empire. These roads weren't just dirt tracks, but meticulously built structures, layer upon layer of materials ensuring their longevity. They were straight, solid, and designed to last, and indeed they have, with many still in use today. In their engineering, the Romans combined practicality with an appreciation for aesthetics. The arches of the aqueducts and the straight lines of the roads didn't just serve a purpose. They also created a sense of beauty and harmony with the landscape. The Romans knew that infrastructure wasn't just about function, it was also about form. So, as we delve into the world of Roman engineering, we're not just exploring the past, we're uncovering the roots of our present, the foundations upon which our modern world has been built. The aqueducts and roads of ancient Rome are not just relics of a bygone era, but enduring symbols of human ingenuity and the timeless quest for progress. Can you believe it? Take a look at this breathtaking aqueduct. Its massive arches stretch for miles and serve as a testament to the brilliance of Roman engineering. The Romans, known for their ingenuity and forward thinking, envisioned and created a system that would solve a problem faced by civilizations across the ages: a reliable supply of clean, fresh water. Aqueducts, essentially, were the lifelines of the Roman civilization, providing water not only for personal use and irrigation, but also for public baths, fountains, and even underfloor heating. These grand structures were a testament to the Romans' understanding of both engineering and the natural environment. The design of Roman aqueducts was a marvel in itself. They were not merely channels for water, they were meticulously designed systems built to last. The Romans utilized the principle of gravity, creating a gentle downward slope in the aqueducts to facilitate the flow of water from higher elevations, such as mountains, to their cities. But the real magic lay in the construction. The Romans had perfected the use of the arch, a structure that could bear substantial weight by distributing it evenly across all parts. This technique allowed them to build these towering aqueducts with their characteristic rows of arches, some of which still stand tall after more than 2,000 years. The aqueducts were constructed with precision, their arches placed at exact intervals to ensure stability and durability. A typical Roman aqueduct consisted of 3 levels. The topmost level, or the spicus, was the channel through which water flowed. This was lined with a special waterproof concrete, yet another Roman innovation, to prevent seepage and maintain the purity of the water. The second and third levels comprised of the rows of arches, giving the aqueduct its height and grandeur. These arches, built from local stone or concrete, were not just aesthetically pleasing, but also served a critical function. They distributed the weight of the water and the structure itself, ensuring the stability of the aqueduct. The Romans also incorporated inspection points and access chambers into their design, allowing for regular maintenance and cleaning. This ensured the longevity of the aqueducts and the consistent flow of water. The construction of these aqueducts was no small feat. It required extensive planning, skilled labor, and resources. The Romans, however, were no strangers to large-scale projects. They harnessed their ability to organize labor and resources efficiently, often employing the people who would benefit from the aqueduct to build it. The marvel of Roman aqueducts lies not just in their grandeur or their ability to stand the test of time, but also in their simplicity and functionality. They are a testament to the Romans' ability to observe, adapt, and harness the forces of nature for the betterment of their civilization. Talk about attention to detail. But wait, there's more. The Romans were not only masters of aqueducts, but also incredible road builders. They understood that a strong, efficient road network was not just about facilitating travel or promoting trade. It was about maintaining control over their sprawling empire, connecting remote regions with the heart of Rome. The Romans' road network was nothing short of breathtaking, spanning a staggering 85,000 miles. That's equivalent to circling the Earth over 3 times. These roads connected major cities, trade hubs, and even the most distant corners of the empire. Imagine, from the deserts of Africa to the misty highlands of Scotland, Roman roads connected it all. But these weren't just any roads. Roman roads were engineered to be straight, solid, and durable. They were the superhighways of their time, designed to withstand the test of time and the relentless march of Roman legions. So how did they achieve such a remarkable feat? Well, it all boils down to their ingenious construction techniques. Roman roads were built layer by layer, each serving a specific purpose. The lowest layer, or foundation, was often made of large stones or broken pieces of old buildings. This was covered with a layer of smaller stones, followed by a layer of compacted sand. The topmost layer was a smooth surface of fitted stones, sometimes even sealed with a form of ancient concrete. The result? A road that was not only remarkably sturdy and durable, but also relatively easy to maintain. Even today you can find sections of Roman roads that have survived 2,000 years of weather, war, and wear. But the Romans didn't stop at merely building roads. They were also meticulous planners. Roman roads were designed to be as straight as possible, often cutting through hills rather than winding around them. This was to ensure the fastest possible travel times, which was essential for speedy communication and rapid troop movement. To aid travelers, the Romans also introduced milestones along their roads, providing information about distances and destinations. These stones were the ancient version of today's road signs, another testament to their foresight and attention to detail. Walking on a surviving piece of Roman road today, you can almost feel the echoes of the past beneath your feet. The thousands of soldiers, merchants, messengers, and ordinary citizens who once tread these paths. The countless stories these roads could tell if they could speak. It's almost like traveling through time, isn't it? Today, as we explore the ruins of Roman cities and marvel at the remains of aqueducts and roads, we can't help but be in awe of the remarkable engineering achievements of our ancestors. The Romans, through their innovative thinking and meticulous attention to detail, created infrastructures that have stood the test of time. Their legacy is still very much alive today. Take a stroll around any modern city, and you'll see the influence of Roman engineering. The arches that form the backbone of our bridges, the network of water supply and sewerage systems that keep our cities running, the roads that connect us. All these owe a debt of gratitude to the Romans. The Romans were pioneers of their time. They understood the necessity of a well-structured, efficient, and robust infrastructure for a thriving civilization. Their aqueducts and roads were not just feats of engineering. They were the veins and arteries that nourished the body of the Roman Empire, allowing it to flourish and expand. But the influence of Roman engineering is not confined to physical structures alone. It has also shaped our thinking and approach to engineering and city planning. The principles they used, practicality, durability, and aesthetics, are still the cornerstones of modern infrastructure design. Think about it. Every time you turn on your tap and have access to clean, running water, you're witnessing the legacy of Roman engineering. Every time you drive on a well-paved, smooth road, you're experiencing the fruits of their labor. It is a testament to their ingenuity and foresight that their creations continue to serve us, even 2,000 years later. So let's take a moment to appreciate the genius of the Romans. Let's acknowledge the lasting impact their engineering marvels have had on our lives. Let's remember that their aqueducts and roads were not just structures of stone and concrete. They were a testament to human imagination, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of progress. What a journey we had today, exploring the wonders of Roman engineering. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the incredible achievements of ancient civilizations, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.